A very good morning to my dear children. Children, in today's class, we will be learning about naming words or nouns. Naming words are nouns. Noun is a naming word and naming word is a noun. Both are same. Okay? या तो हम इन्हें नाउन कहें या नेमिंग वर्ड कहें, ये दोनों सेम है. The other name of noun is naming word and the other name of naming word is noun. I hope this is clear to you. So children, everything around us has a name, like dog, cat, bag, tree, flower, home, father, mother. We identify all these things, places, people and animals by their name. हम इन सभी चीज़ों को इनके नाम से ही आइडेंटिफाई कर पाते हैं, पहचान पाते हैं. Clear? So let's read the definition of noun or naming word. Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or a thing. So noun क्या है? Noun है person means कोई भी व्यक्ति, place means जगह, animal जानवर and thing कोई भी चीज. For example, this one. Okay? तो noun क्या है? किसी भी व्यक्ति, स्थान, जानवर और चीज के नाम को हम नाउन कहते हैं या नेमिंग वर्ड कहते हैं एंड इन हिंदी संज्ञा कहते हैं. क्लियर? किसी भी चीज का नाम संज्ञा कहलाता है और इन इंग्लिश नाउन कहलाता है. ओके, सो लेट्स सी सम एग्जांपल्स. पर्सन, पर्सन में कौन कौन आते हैं? लुक एट हियर. फादर, टीचर, पोस्टमैन, नर्स, brother, sister. Okay, all these are naming words. Now move to the next. Place. अब place में कौन कौन सी चीज़ें शामिल की जाती हैं? चर्च, स्कूल, पार्क, गार्डन, होम. Okay, now next one, animals. In animal we include lion, horse, dog, cat and so on. और भी सभी जानवर इसमें हम इंक्लूड करते हैं. एंड थिंग्स, बुक, बॉल, बैग, टेबल, कार एंड सो ऑन. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि नेमिंग वर्ड क्या है. किसी भी चीज का नाम नेमिंग वर्ड है. ओके, नाउ दिस इज यूनिट 2, naming words. This is the second chapter of your English grammar. Okay, now we'll do question number 1. Read this poem and circle all the naming words. So student, first of all you have to read this poem. After that you have to circle all the naming words. Clear? So let's read. I live in India, Mary lives in Rome. Wherever we live, we all need a home. Okay? तो अब इसमें ढूंढते हैं. Let's find out. तो इसमें क्या होगा? India, name of a place. Mary, name of a person. Rome, name of a place. And home, name of a place. Now next paragraph. Spiders live in web, as cows live in shed. Lions live in den, as sheep live in pen. So spiders, name of a, क्या है ये? Yes, insect. And next one, web, जहाँ पर वो रहता है. Name of a place. Cows, name of an animal, and shed उसका place, name of a place. Lions, name of an animal, and den, name of a place. Sheep and pen. Clear? Look at here, I have already done for you. You can take help from here. आप इसे देख कर सकते हैं, समझ सकते हैं. Clear? India, Mary, room, home. Spiders, web. Cows, shed. Lions, den. Sheep, pen. Clear? Now move to the next page. Horses live in stable as dogs live in kennel. Pigs live in sty as bees live in hive. Clear? Now horses, animal, stable, place, dogs, animal, kennel, place, pigs, animal, sty, place, bees, insects, hive, place. Clear? Birds live in nest. I've a home for rest. My home is sweet home. It's better than the rest. Birds, animal, nest, home, home, and home. I hope this is clear to you. Look at here. Horses, stable, dogs, kennel, pigs, sty, bees, hive. Birds, nest, home, home, and home. Clear? Now, exercise number 2. Look at the picture of a classroom and write the names of persons or things that you see in it. इस पिक्चर को देखिए और आपको क्या करना है? You have to write the names of persons or things जो कि आपको यहाँ दिखाई दे रही हैं. So let's start. Who is she? She is a teacher. Okay? Write down teacher over here. Then door. Then blackboard. Next one fan, bulb, clock, table, duster, chalk, dustbin, children or students. Okay? ये आपको find out करने हैं और यहाँ पर लिखना है. Now look at here. Teacher, fan, duster, blackboard, bulb, door, book, chalk, dustbin, table, children, clock. Okay? Now students, you have to complete these exercises both number 1 and number 2. Okay? So we'll meet again in next class. Till then, take care.